Hello, this is Yiming from the Trading River Lake, and I'm doing a quick recap video for my today's trading. Today is June the 18th, 2024. So today I'm again looking at the SPS chart from the daily chart. So yesterday we had a big breakout day, and today I was expecting a pullback, but we didn't get it. So today was actually another very tough day for me because I was managing a lot of call spreads that rolled from yesterday. So majority of them were 54, 70, 80, and 90 strikes, call strikes. So yeah, let's quickly walk through what I did. So yesterday, all of the call spreads were in the loss area. Although yesterday we did manage closing at a low price. Today, the market actually built up based on yesterday's strength. Nasdaq was not showing a lot of momentum. However, S&P and Russell was super strong today, and Nvidia again is leading the market today. So my plan came in. So last night I was actually watching market closely. I got very nervous about my call spreads, and so last night was mostly a balanced market, and then I was looking at the gamma condition. Looked like there were a lot of 5,500 gamma was building up. So today, if market was able to run to 5,500, I will be in big trouble. But luckily, last night we did get some weakness. So what I did today, right out of the gate, when market opens, actually I managed to roll my 54.70 strike to 54.85 strike in 2DT expiring Thursday. I had to widen the spreads a little bit so that I could roll with the credit. But later on, another thing I did was I actually rolled 54.90 to 5,500, also 2 DTE. So in hindsight, this position could have expired worthless. However, it was just too close. At some moment, I believe we actually made a high of 55.90 right here. So yeah, there was no way I could roll this position. Sorry, I could have held this position. So I just rolled it. And yeah, I don't really regret this roll. So the market actually had some back and forth in the morning. So in this area, I added some call spreads. I added some put spreads. Also, I was able to roll some of 0DTE 54.70 to 80 and 54.80 to 54.85 using the weakness. And also I just added a lot of put spreads just to hedge my position, just to reduce some delta. At some point, especially when market was making low of day, I was like in this area, even in this area, I was hoping we could somehow magically, get a low close into 54, like 75 area. But obviously, market didn't give up, and although the 5,500 call gamma positive GEX disappeared, but then the call GEX was 54.90, and then market did get to 54.90 after market close. So if you look at the ES chart, so we actually market rallied here right after market close. So in this area, market did went up to 54.90, realizing the gamma condition. So in paper, so I had a good day because a lot of my put spread actually worked. So I didn't have like a major loss today. However, I rolled many positions into Thursday. So I have 54.70, 54.90, and 5,500 strikes. I think 5,500 strikes might be okay or safe. although it's only 10 points from the spot right now. So 54.85, I will most likely roll it again. Right now, I'm just not sure what I should do about 54.70. I mean, I might not be able to roll it one more time because it's deep in the money unless we open lower. So yeah, I may have to eventually take a loss, 54.70, or at least take half loss, because rolling strategy works unless the market direction is right. But looking at the market condition right now, since we're only 10 points away from 5,500, I totally expect the market may get there Thursday or Friday. At least with the OPEX, I think the market will give it a try. Also, historically, end of June, early July are the very good month of the trading year. So market, once they break 5,500, it's very easy to run 55.20, 55.30, just fresh new highs. Also, there are no news scheduled, so I don't really expect any surprise to the downside at this moment. And so if we look at the ES chart, so the situation is just like this, right? Like a flag pattern, essentially. This is a 1 hour chart. If I go to 4 hour, essentially what we had was this huge breakout followed by consolidation and probably breakout again. So yeah, on the other hand, for Thursday, I think 5,500 might be fine. Or at some point, maybe I can take some like small loss or even profit. Or I may decide to roll it again if I were able to roll it to 55, like the 30 area. The reason is 5,500 is such a big psychological level, and there should be some pullback after we hit 5,500. But again, it will be a very painful hold. So, and also on the so the daily range, if we look at this ATR, so daily range for the market is like 55, 60 points. Right now, my call strike is at 54.70. I will probably give up if the market has to make 2 consecutive down day to reach my strike, which is not really likely in the current condition, right? If we look at in the past, how many 2 consecutive down days that we had? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, very, very rare, right? And the last big down move, I'll have to say, is in April. So yeah, I'm not really hopeful for 55.70, so I will probably have to take a loss. Yeah, that's basically my trading today and my plans for next day, Thursday. Yeah, sorry. So in the last, let's again do the daily prayer one more time. So let's pray we have clear eyes to see through price actions. Let's wish we have courageous mind to cut loss ruthlessly. So finally, may our heart never be greedy and just take whatever market gives us and trade safe.